Greetings everyone, and welcome to this month's virtual Little Wonders and Nature Detectives Exploration Session video. My name is Miss Alyssa, and the theme for the month of February is For the Love of Bugs. In today's session, we are going to take a closer look at what makes insects so special. Did you know that insects are the largest group of animals in the world? Believe it or not, insects make up 80% of the world's animal population. That's a lot of bugs, and all the more reason to love them. Before we get started, let's go ahead and do a science breakdown. What do you think makes an insect an insect? There are three things that all insects have in common. First of all, they have an exoskeleton. An exoskeleton is a hard covering that supports and protects the bodies of some animals. Exo means outside, so it literally means outside skeleton. As insects grow, their exoskeleton does not. It's kind of like outgrowing your baby clothes. When an insect's body is too big for its exoskeleton, the exoskeleton splits away and falls off. This is called molting. But don't worry, it will soon grow a new exoskeleton for protection. The second thing is that all insects are made up of three main parts. They are the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Lastly, all insects have 6 legs. Let's count and see if a ladybug is an insect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is yes, ladybugs are insects. So here's a question. Are spiders insects? Let's count their legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is no. Spiders have 8 legs, and they are a different type of animal. There are so many different and amazing bugs in the world, and each of them is special in its own way. One of my favorite bugs is called the Picasso moth. Can you guess why it has that name? The colorful pattern on the wings of this moth look like it was easily painted by an artist. Another amazing insect is the Hercules beetle. This bug, also known as the rhinoceros beetle, has the strength to carry up to 850 times its own body's weight. If we had that type of strength, we could carry 7 elephants. This creature is the strongest on Earth for its size. This next insect is a master of disguise. Can you spot it in this photo? This is a leaf insect, and it is one of a group of over 50 insects that looks, well, like a leaf. Do you think that insects have eyes like ours? They do not. Our eyes are like cameras with one single lens. Their eyes are what we call compound eyes, and they are much different from ours. The insect eye consists of thousands of tiny tubes. Each has its own lens at the front and light sensors in the back. Think of them having a bunch of tiny cameras in their eyes, each one taking a part of the big picture. That's going to wrap it up for this month's exploration session. Now it's your turn to go outside and see what insects you can find. This is Miss Alyssa signing off. We hope to see you next month.